I know. I am Mr. Lapan, Calibration Manager of the Lapan. So, the scope of calibrating concrete plants or concrete basing plants is on how to know the verification or the calibration or the difference between the scale and the weight mark. So, the reference equipment for calibration of basing plants consists of a set of big weight or dead weight for big scale or capacity which is more than 100 kg, and a set of small dead weight for calibrating of a mixture scale, a thermometer or a humidity for measuring the humidity and temperature of the weather or air in a scale, a calibration scale of course, and we have a calibrated cylinder for measuring the water. So all equipment or the different equipment are calibrated.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. I am Rizwan Akbar Bhatti, working as calibration advisor in Delta Engineering Services, Afghanistan. There are different types of calibration right now at the moment. We are present here in Jalalabad. I am with the calibration team with me, and we have gotten a opportunity to perform calibration of the complete batch plant. You can see behind over there. Right now we are in Jalalabad. You see the batch plant at behind us. There are two scope of work covered in complete batching plant verification and accuracy. One covers in the quality control, quality assurance, that is for the ASTM 394, in which we do maintain the quality of complete production certificate according to the standards. Concrete quality production throughout chain in that standard, from temperature, curing, slump cone, complete ready-mix production throughout the GM contact mixer and throughout pouring at the site as well. But in the secondary standard we are going to perform for the calibration is called ASTM E4, ASTM E74, that is for the calibration and verification ASTM standard. Our team leading Mr. Matiullah as calibration manager for Delta Afghan will proceed how to perform and execute. I will just observation during the calibration over there that what are the methodology, what are the procedure and scope, and led by me and performed by Mr. Matiullah. For the calibration in ASTM, there is class 9, 9.1, 9.2 section covers the accuracy and terminology as well as the deviation mentioned in 9.2 plus section 9 of the ASTM standard. That covers all the variation, deviation, accuracy in that standard and classes. So basically to confirm the accuracy and statement of the batch plot, four basic scales are over there in complete batch plot, covering one aggregate and sand scale. Second one is the chemical scale. Third one is the water scale, and most important is the cement scale. To assure the contractor and client and consultant throughout for the material specification, we do need required to perform the best calibration of complete batch plot. Right now, we have complete stuff over there with us, 1,000 kg dead weight, one small set of weight set, as well as rest of the things to perform and execute the calibration. So hopefully our team will perform, and you can understand as well as.
So we warmed the plant for half an hour, and now we are going to check the verification of the cement scale, and its full capacity is 250 kg, and so we are going to put the weight 20 kg every by ascending and descending mode. So the first one is going We are going to take the first reading in ascending mode. So having it with me, he is going to put the 21st kg. Ed, that's the scale, so you can see here 30 kg. The first 20 kg, so we will here's the first 20 kg. And the reading we take is 21. So 820 more. This next 20 kg. So it's full 60 now, and the weights are 40 and it's showing 42. So 820 more. At the very center. Is it there in the center? Now in the center. So you can see exactly it's showing 62. So 820 more. Be sure both are level. Here you can see 83. Next 20. So you can see it here. 100 and showing 102. Next 20. Make it center. They are not level still. So we are going to make sure that the weights are at the very center of the scale, and when we are going to take the reading at 120, it's showing 121. So the next 20 kg. At 140, and the scale reading is 140, and it's showing 142. So the next 20 kg. Here we are with 160 weight and showing 152. The next 20 kg. Make them quite centered. As you see, the resolution of the scale is also 1 kg, and we are putting here now 180 kg is showing 182. So we are going to wait stable the reading. So it's 180 and showing 182. So it's 2, but it's not working the display properly. Of course, there's something missing, and now we are going to check the reading 181 and putting 1 kg extra. 1 else 20 kg extra. Yes. At the very center. As you can see, it's showing 200. We are going to take the reading of 201, and these are the readings we got. So that was for stable scale, and now we are going to take the reading in ascending mode. So going on. So this is the display for the aggregate and center, and its full capacity is 700. So we are going to calibrate it by extra 700 to 600. So Hamidullah is below, and he is going to add the weight. So we will tell him to add the weight in 20 kg. First 0. This is 0, and now he is going to add 20 kg at the very center. That's right. So he is going to put the weight into the bucket, and the first reading, aggregate scale. So we are weighing the weights, and we are going to raise the scale on the machine. So we are going to take the reading 20. Now add 20 more. That's it. Another 20 kg, and now we have put 40 kg. I did 20 more. The reading for that was 40 and 39. Make the weights at the very center and lever too. Let's get to this table. So now it's 60, and we are going to take the reading now. It's about 59, 58 now, and 59, take another reading, 20 kg more. So, so we are 20 kg more to take it to the 80, and we are going to take the reading according to 80. Let the scale to be stable. Now it's showing 29, so add 20 more. So there is 98. We are going to stable. Yes. Medium level at the very center of the stage. So for 100 turn we are going to take the reading according to this. So it's showing now 96, 97, 97. So we are going to stable the scale. Just wait. So it's not stable yet, we will see it. So the next one. Another 20. Another 20. Something over. Right. Look at right. So they are not at stable. They are level. They can look better. Against 140, it's showing not even just take this slow away. So add 20 more. There's 140 and against that 20 more. This way. Two more. So we are going to take the next reading in 200 kg. So there is now 200 in showing at approximately 200. So it's going in. We are going to reach to 7. So this was the next reading, and we are going to go to another minute too. So it's going to put 400 bits in maximum center. Little level. So it's 400 is showing 399 approximately, and it's not stable yet. So in this way we are going to change the reading 339 because it's the average I think so. It's going to be stable just in a minute. Oh. Now the next reading is 600 kg. We have put it the weight, so it's against 600. It's showing 599. Okay, so that was the scale for aggregate and for sense, and now we are going to calibrate the water and water transfer. So we are going to measure the water for 20 seconds. So the operator will turn on the water, so we are going to measure it. Now, 1, 2. Yes, we have took the reading in 20.01 seconds. So we are now going to measure the water in graduated cylinder. So now let's measure the water with this graduated cylinder. And we are going to count. So let's first one. As you can see, 100 ml for the first, so we are going now down 21. the third one. So continuing, so that we are going to continue this work till the water finish, then the full measurement should be taken. And the fourth one. So continue this way till finish. And the first thing to be noted, the water with premier was equal to 95.6 liters or 95.6 liters. And this was the last one. Calculation, date of calibration, serial number will be submitted in the certificate.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. As you did find the follow-up that calibration of that plant has been performed by Delta 1 team, I would like to just add some comments and some explanation during the processes as I have observed. First of all, there are different types of vacuum plants available in the market. Right now we have performed here, this was local design, local manufactured by the Afghanistan local community. So in this type of plant we have found that when we were performing the water scale, we have used three types of methodology we will find in the plant. First of all, we have measured with the volumetric measure. Second one with the calculation of stopwatch by timing method. And third one, plants we will find different types of plants that include the load test. That conclusion of volume as well as by weight measurement. It designed normally consists of load test method. So, follow-up, there are four types of scales we must have to verify and calibrate it for our client. First of all, the big fellow you are seeing, that consists of the cement scale. Second one is the aggregate and tank scale, and third one is the bottom, and last one is the cement scale by the rate. So, in the market, you will find different types of scales. In this scale, you have seen the different indicators are displaying the shows. Most of the scales consist of the PLC base. So that is called the programmable logic controller, in which all the scales include in one parameter in one segment, that is called the PLC. And some of our scales, complete plants are based on computer base. So but the methodology in FOB is the same one. ASTM E4 and E74 for the verification, and ASTM C94 for the complete process where the readiness is performed. Thank you for watching.
This was the calibration for complete vision plant, and thank you for watching. Thanks to Manila and study the operator of plant. And if you have any comments, please email us on calibration@delta1.com.